Good morning, dear students. In English, today we are going to study forming the plural forms of nouns. So pay attention and listen carefully. Dear students, now at first we will see exercise of these plural forms. Okay. So pay attention and listen carefully. Okay. C number. Rewrite the sentences using the plural forms of the nouns in each sentence. You may need to make changes to the verbs too. Okay, so pay attention. First question. The engineer drove the car out of the garage for testing. Dear students, in these sentences we will replace engineer into engineers. Okay, so we will write here add here as engineers. Okay, now out of the garage, in place of garage we add here garages for testing. Okay, in second number, a battery in the series has not been connected properly. In this sentence, students, we should remove a because a belongs to the singular nouns. Okay, in place of battery, we add here IES in place of IES, batteries. Okay, batteries, we remove Y and add IES, batteries in the series. In place of has, we add here have, HAVE, have not. Okay, have not been connected properly. Okay, and now in number third, we remove A because A students brought a loaf of bread for the class party. The students, in this sentence we remove A. Okay, student, we add here students, add here as students brought, we remove A and loaf. In place of loaf we add here plural forms of loaf. We remove F and add VES, loaves. Okay, VES, loaves. Loaves of bread. Okay, for the class party. Okay, now in number 4, the train halts at this station for a short time only. Dear students, in this sentence we add yes to the trains. Okay, and we remove only s of halts. There will be only halt. Okay, halt at these stations. In place of this we write here these, at these stations. Okay, for a short time only. Okay, now in number 5, the library in the university is very well stocked. Okay, in this sentence, dear students, we will add we remove Y and add IES, libraries. The libraries in the university. Okay, in place of university we add here universities. Okay, we remove Y and write IES, universities, and in place of is we write here are, universities are. Okay, well stocked. Okay, now in number 6, the person was amazed by the trick of the magician. Dear students, in this sentence we write here persons. We add here plural form the persons, add here s, In place of was, we write here where. W-E-R-E, where. Okay. And amazed by the tricks, we read here tricks, yes. And of the magicians, we also add s in magicians. Okay. In number 8, the Indian team in place of each, we write here R, A-R-E-R, because this is plural form. Indian team, okay, are very good at one day match. In place of match, we add here matches. Okay, matches. And now another, the employees was introduced to the seniors. The employees, we add here employee, we add here yes. Okay, employees, we add here yes, employees. In place of was, we add here where. Okay, into where. Okay, to introduce the in place of senior, we add here yes, seniors. Okay, and group of companies, remove y and I add here I. Remove y and write here IES, companies. Okay, in number 10, a mosquito buzzed in a ear as we sat watching the videos. We will remove a mosquito, okay, buzzed in my ear as we sat watching the videos. We write here video in place of, we add here yes in videos. Okay, these are the explanation of this nouns, pronouns to form. Okay, now we see possessive forms of nouns. Okay, in another. So let's see how it is formed, how it is changed possessive forms of nouns. Okay, this because these forms of nouns can be formed using the apostrophe s in this way. So pay attention. Okay, singular nouns, add a apostrophe and then s. Okay, to make them possessives. Examples: Mina's box, man's beard, horse, hooves, birds, beaks. It means the boxes of Mina, man's of beard, hooves of horse, birds, beak of birds. Okay, in another case, in singular nouns ending with s, okay, just as you can write apostrophe or s, both. You can write both. We just add apostrophe also or both also. Okay, boss, chairs, Thomas's house, etc. Plural nouns ending in s. Plural nouns ending in s. Okay, just add apostrophe pronouns, girls, skates, speakers, names, cats, paws, birds, fishes, like this. Okay, difference. And plural nouns that do not end in s, add both apostrophe and s also, like this: women's, hair, sheep's wool, mice tail, people's voice. Okay, now we will solve the exercise. Okay, so pay attention. Rewrite the sentences using the possessive forms of nouns. The first has been done for you. Okay, she is the mother of Gauri. The students, in this sentence, she is the mother of Gauri. It means we can write in possessive forms of nouns. She is Gauri's mother. We write here Gauri's mother. This is the story of Nelson Mandela. Dear students, in possessive case we write here Nelson Mandela's. We add here S and then write here story. Okay, Nelson Mandela's story. Okay. Now in another question number 3, what are the names of the singers? In the sentence we write here singers apostrophe S name. Then name. What are singers' name? Like this. Okay. In question number 4, the crops of the farmers were destroyed in the floods. Okay. So, dear friends, in the sentence we write apostrophe farmers, then crops. Okay. Farmers' crops were destroyed in the floods. Okay. Now in another question number 5, Uncle Mukesh is designing the room of the kids. Dear students, in this sentence we write here kids apostrophe room. Kids room. Uncle Mukesh is designing kids room. Understood? Okay. And now in question number 6, please do not disturb the nests of the birds in the tree. Okay. We can write here in possessive case birds apostrophe then nest. Bird nests. We do not disturb bird nests in the tree. Okay. In next question, let me see the results of the year. In this sentence with this year, we write here years apostrophe s result. Let me see the this year's result. Okay. Now another question. I am quoting this from the novel of Dickens. In this sentence, we can write here apostrophe then novel. Okay. Let me include. I am quoting the Dickens novel. Okay. Now another example. The horns of the deer are called antlers. In this sentence we can add here deer's apostrophe s horns. Deer's horns are called antlers. Okay. And another question. She is replying to the email of her sisters. Okay. Sisters add s and email. She is replying to sisters email. Dear students, I hope you have understood the explanation of this chapter. If you have any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitation. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.